Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a seed stitch. So let's get to it. After casting on an even number of stitches and knitting 2 rows, bring out the second needle closest to the carriage into E position and every other needles, with the exception of the edge needle. With your latch tool, insert it into the stitch in the row below and release the live stitch from the needle and give it a little tug to unravel it. You can now reform the stitch into a stockinette stitch. Hang it back on the needle. Place it inside the stitch on the row below. Release the stitch off the needle, give it a little tug to unravel it and reform it. You can now place some weight back onto your knitting. Knit 1 row. Take the second needle closest to the carriage, place it into E position and every other needles, with the exception of the edge needle. With your latch tool, place it inside the stitch on the row below, release it off the needle, give it a little tug to unravel it, and shape it back into a stockinette stitch. On the knitting machine, the seed stitch is a repeat of row 2 and 3. This is what the machine knitting seed stitch looks like, and it's the same on both sides. If you would like to see some of the projects where I use the seed stitch, you can click on the subscribe button in the corner of the screen and it will take you to my channel where you can review my project playlist. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.